you should always listen to his music and see it now. They definitely an NBA fan. Ladies and gentlemen, from Spud Cola, yeah, you know, say hi everybody, man.
Hi guys, good morning.
Alright, so I know clearly San Antonio is currently leading over New York. How are you feeling about your Spurs right now? And why do you think they should win, man? I know you're a hardcore NBA fan.
I just want them to win. They don't need to win. I just want them to win. I just want them to play well, play the right way. And if they don't win as long as they play the right way, they're good at as a Spurs fan.
So as a Spurs fan, are you the type of fan that can't say anything good about New York? Or are you the fan?
No, I'm good. It's like New York is such a likable team. It's like a bunch of college guys who are now playing in the NBA, living the dream. It's like U18 players who end up playing for the same pro team, which I think rarely happens here. So it's kind of cool to be like playing same team, same city, probably same hotel, sharing breakfast, all that stuff, being like together all the way from college. So it's such a nice fancy story of friendship that I don't hate the Knicks. I like both teams. I'm okay. So yeah.
Just want San Antonio to win. But of course, in adding to that, you have your Villanova boys, of course, who are going to be part of the New York team. Now, we've seen the greatness of San Antonio, and you've been watching this all this time. For those of you that don't know, you should definitely watch. He's the ultimate basically geek and nerd NBA fan. Can you share with us a trivia, an NBA trivia that you think not many people would know?
Not many people not
And so basically, maybe the hardcore fans might know, but basically it's a tidbit of trivia that you personally like yourself.
Okay, random trivia is more about me, kind of about the Spurs. I have seen 2 live games in my life. 2 live San Antonio Spurs games, and they lost both those games. So, I might be that minus guy.
Or it could be that guy who breaks the curse from them and creates such a great story. Everybody please give it up for Ellison over here. True Spurs fan. And for those of you that don't know, check out his social media. He's watched San Antonio game